what's up? We are after morning coffee. Winnie already used to have a business meeting, you know. Look at her new glasses, honey. So nice.
All right. So now it's lunchtime actually. So after working on our laptops, and Damian already finished editing the video for today actually.
Yes, so will be video like
so
always.
We decided to go to a place that is, you know, famous for the pork ribs, because I don't know why I'm starving for the pork ribs.
And this place, that's the best pork ribs in full entire Bali. We'll show you around. It's really worth to see that. I'm already hungry. I need to focus driving.
Yeah. So we already hungry, and then it is already at 1. So it is lunchtime, and then
see you there.
See you there.
We just arrived. It's super hot in Bali right now. It's 33, maybe even 35 degree, but it's feel like 50 something. It's more hotter than in Dubai, I could say right now.
Yeah, so I'm already hungry actually. Let's go to have a pork rib.
In Naughty Nuri, we will see.
So now we just arrived in Naughty Nuri Seminyak. I can't wait to order for the food.
Ya kak ya, ini nanti menunya di scan. Dan kita ada menu baru untuk chicken pork sama fish and chip. Dan gitu kita ada promo untuk pork spiritnya. Ini 85.000, tapi belum termasuk kentang dan salad ya. Ya cuma dagingnya saja. Ini promonya khusus makan di sini aja kak. Kalau masuk sisa itu nggak bisa dibungkus ya. Kalau dibungkus masuknya harga normal. Terus ini kita ada koktail, harganya 49.000 net. Dan itu ini ada yang bir promo, per piece 25. Kalau punya yang bucket, dia ada penjual 80.000, lebih murah ya.
Oh wow! So well, actually this is the promo. And nowadays, whenever you go to the restaurant for the health protocols, they will put like, you know, scanning the menu, yeah?
Yes,
So we will see the menu. Oh, let's see. Ooh, wow. So this is how nowadays whenever you go to restaurant, they will give you like this menu with the barcode. Yeah. Ooh. Okay.
Alright, so we are at the Naughty Nuri. We're gonna have some ribs, pork ribs.
Yeah, so the menu is here already. So we will order one special menu that is only in Naughty Nuri. So let's
Check this out.
So I decided to order 2 pork ribs, and then what's the special? Margarita. So they have like margarita with the dance.
What dance?
Let's see what types of dance.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 ribs and 2 margarita.
Margarita pasnya.
Yeah.
For the side dish,
What do you want? Potato?
Yeah, potato and French fries or wedges?
Yes.
wedges or french fries?
Wedges.
Wedges?
Yeah.
Okay.
this. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat this one.
Right, so everybody knows I'm a big fan of pizza or burger. But today I'm gonna have this lovely pork ribs. Check this out. It's the big portion. I'm not. Honey already started eating. I already tried. Yeah. But very nice. So, by the way, I will show you one more time. This ribnya, this is ribnya, it's a little bit like Indonesian language, but pork ribs, this portion, it's quite big. It's cost how much?
This is only 85,000 rupiah. So cheap, it's around $7.
$6 US.
And you see the texture of the meat.
So nice.
And one for the wedges.
So good. Look at this texture of the meat. All is this one is the meat, fresh one. So yeah. Oh my god, this is so good.
How is your ribs?
Oh my god, this is so good.
Really?
Yeah.
One chicken pork. Make a moment for the drink, Margarita.
Yes.
Sun and nothing seems like fun when you dropped your ice cream cone and you walked the whole way home. What can you do to turn it around? What can you do to turn it around? Wiggle your toes, clap your hands, stomp your feet, get ready to dance and shake it like you got ants in your pants.
Check it out. Check it out.
Oh la la. So that's the famous Margarita shake, shake, shake. I love the dance actually. Maybe later after this, I will try dance with them.
You just danced 2 days ago.
So this is the famous Margarita shake dance, and then ooh, cheers.
All right.
So now it's time to eat ribs.
The goodies. So good.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, the best ribs in Bali.
So this is the best rib in Bali. And whenever you come here, always full house. Oh yeah. You see the difference between how local eat, like me. I love to eat using my hands. And Damian, that's how the Western style. But me,
Well, actually, I also supposed to eat by hand, but yeah. So soft, yeah.
yeah, so good. So good. The sauce. Oh yeah.
It's so good to see how's Winnie eating, right? You guys love it. Winnie is so thankful always when she eats.
Like this one.
Yes, honey.
The meat. Soft.
Very soft. Very nice. Oh, yum. I'm done with my ribs. Such a big portion, check this out. How about you, honey?
Oh my god, this is the best. This is the best and the best and the best pork ribs ever in Bali.
Alright, we got some margaritas. As you saw, you're coming here not only for the best ribs in Bali, but also for the margarita dance, which is super cool, right? You have to agree with that. Maybe some of you will just come here for just margarita, it's also fine, but take a ribs. Cheers, honey. That's a big margarita, honey.
Ooh la la.
Don't get drunk, okay? Alright, as you can see, the place is full of people, it's nearly full house. Sometimes people even waiting on the waiting list outside due to they limited little bit sitting for your health and safety protocols and for your healthy. Also they allow me to come to the kitchen, so I show you how it looks, the place where they cook and grill the ribs. It's really great place. Also this margarita dance is super cool. Really recommended when you are coming to Seminyak, the best ribs in Bali so far. Right, so we are after the big lunch, but
Oh
so
my
lovely.
God, it's super duper yummy, the best ever pork ribs in Bali.
Really nice.
Oh my god.
And also, like I said, very nice margarita dance.
Yeah,
Super
and
cool.
also the margarita dance, like shake. Oh
Shake,
my
shake.
god, this is so cool.
Alright, we're gonna have a coffee right now. I'm so full, but I still wanna have a coffee to wake me up a little bit after the big portion of food. If you are curious how much we paid for that, so what's the big portions of
Two
the
big
pork
portion
ribs?
of the pork ribs.
Now
and
is
then
the
two
promo.
margaritas, and then with the what is it? Potato wedges, and then with the chicken, we just paid around
410,000 rupiah,
Yeah.
which is I think very cheap to compare to America or something.
Yeah. So yeah,
This is how it is.
how it is.
Alright, let's go.
So now we are in the car park, and also don't worry about if you come to Seminyak. I know that in normal place Seminyak is always busy.
Always.
Don't worry, they have quite a big parking area, and
Yeah,
our
just-
car is over there.
Just little bit outside the, I mean, you have to turn. They will show you anyway, so don't you worry. Okay, let's go. It is so hot, by the way. We are now heading to Livingstone, and this place, previous place, we just want to let you know this is not any kind of paid endorsement. We just go pay for that, but it's part of our daily life, so why not to show you guys, right? Anyway, let's have some cold drink because I'm already like,
Yeah, nowadays Bali is super hot. Let's get something like sweet and cold drink.
and cold, definitely cold. Let's go, honey.
So good coffee and the cake. I wanna try this one.
What's that?
Oh, this is like chocolate mousse cake.
Oh, nice. Alright, so we have a day full of food.
Oh my god, I feel so full. Look, my tummy is getting bigger. Alright, so I think that's all our vlog today. Like, we have a lunch in a Seminyak area and the best ribs
The best
Bali.
trips in the world.
And also
At least
we
for
just
in Bali.
Yeah, and then we already have a coffee and cake, so this is perfect day.
In Seminyak, Bali. We'll show you a bit also about the roads, how is the condition, and I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I'm so full, by the way. I hope so you
Alright.
enjoyed watching how we eat the ribs.
Yeah.
And today's vlog, like always, something new at 7 p.m. Bali time.
So if you're asking what to do in Seminyak, this is the video. Alright, thank you guys for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
Take care.
Mwah.